Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bank of California app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see, here we have the app of Bank of California. So to fix that, I will just tap on this and here we can see we have an icon. Then I will just click on this. So as you can see here, we have the called as storage. I will just click on storage. Then we have to clear the cache memory and then we have to open it. If it does not work after this solution also, then you have to reinstall the app. So to reinstall, you have to go and tap it here and click on the uninstall button, and then you can directly go to the Play Store like this. You can directly search here for app, okay, and from here you can install it, okay. So by this way we can just fix it, the Bank's app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.